All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 13 of our March Daily Math. We have 4 plus 4 plus 4 is blank less than 50. Yes, it's less than 50. I don't think that's what it's asking us, though, is it? So first, let's go, what is 4 plus 4 plus 4? 3 4s equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there's 12. So 12 is less than 50. Yes, it is. I think it's asking us how much less than 50 is 12. Is that what kind of what you're thinking? All right, so let's go and find that difference. 50 minus 12. There's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 38 less than 50. Boy, there's a lot to that problem. Way to work that out and figure it out. That was excellent. Right, less than, greater than, or equal to 1/4 and 4 nickels compared to 5 dimes. Well, 5 dimes, 5, 10, 15, 20. Nope, that's nickels. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, that's dimes. 50. So this is worth 50 cents on this side. So 1/4 is 25. And 4 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. Well, that's 45 cents. So 45 cents is less than 50 cents. So 1/4 and 4 nickels is less than 5 dimes. Okay, this pattern shows shamrocks, gold coins, and mushrooms. If this pattern continues, what will be the 15th shape? Whoa, 15th shape. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The 15th shape is the gold coin. So did you see how we did that? So we got A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. It's almost like a little song. Ba-dum, ba-doom, ba-dum, ba-doom. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15th shape gold coin. All right. Write this number in expanded form. So we're going to write the number 845. Expanded form would be 800. Okay, we're going to expand it out into the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. 800, and then it's plus 40. And then it's 5 more. So we're just putting it into our place value, right? Okay. Color of cupcake sprinkles. We have green, orange, and rainbow. So each cupcake equals 1 cupcake. How many fewer cupcakes have rainbow sprinkles than orange sprinkles? Well, rainbow comes to here, so I'm going to compare this line to this line. These equal, so there's 1, 2, 3. So how many fewer cupcakes? 3 fewer cupcakes. All right. Awesome work on day 13. We'll see you tomorrow.